Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're gonna make this, a cute little smocked dress with elastic thread for a little kid. This is for a 3T-year-old. This baby is a size 3T. I'll put all of the sizing and measurements down below in the description. So if you want to make the same size of dress, then you can totally have my measurements. This project was inspired by Jessica. She made a dress just like this out of her father-in-law's shirt for her daughter. And I liked that project so much that I wanted to make one out of fabric like this. If you have questions or need help troubleshooting your measurements, let me know in the comments and I'll help you out as best I can. I don't know how babies' clothes work. Before I start doing anything as far as smocking goes, I'm going to overcast my edges and my center back. That means I'm going to finish the edges so it doesn't ravel or unravel. I'm going to do as much finishing as possible before I smock so I don't have to wrestle with the elastic and finish the garment. Now that all my edges are finished, I'm going to go ahead and start marking out where I need to line my stitches for the elastic thread. Ooh. Mark all of your lines on the right side of the fabric. That way the elastic thread is going to be in your bobbin on the bottom and then your normal thread is going to be on the top. You'll see when we get there. I am marking my lines 1/2 inch apart and I'm going to use my lipstick chalk so I get a nice fine line. You'll see, you'll want one of these. Do yourself a favor, I'll put a link below, get yourself one. Starting 1/4 inch away from my stitch line, I'm going to start marking my smocking lines. I'm going to do this for about 6 inches. I've marked all of my stitch lines, but before I get crazy and stitch on the actual garment, I'm going to do a little swatchy swatch to make sure that everything's a-okay. You have to hand wind the bobbin in order for the elastic to work. If you wind it on your machine, it just stretches it out and makes it all weird. So hand wind the elastic thread onto your bobbin. This turned out superb, so I can go ahead and make my elastic dress. I forgot to put my stitches at a longer stitch length for the first stitch, but it turned out okay, so I just lengthened it up a little bit. My stitch length is at a 4, so it's like the almost biggest one. It's like the last but one stitch length. When you go to sew your lines, don't backstitch. And after you sew all the rows, we're going to hand tie everything so it doesn't come loose. Here we go. As I'm sewing, the smocking is getting tighter, so you have to be kind of careful as you go so you don't stitch over something. So let me show you how I'm smoothing it out as I'm stitching it. Gently pull and then stitch and go section by section. The elastic thread is all stitched in, it's all gathered up. Now I'm going to go one by one and tie each one of these top threads and elastic threads together on each stitch on each side. Woo! Pull the thread out from the front so it's to the back, and then I'm just going to tie a square knot in these 2 threads. Now I can cut off the excess. I finished tying all my knots and now I'm ready to sew up the center back seam. The little baby has a chest of 20, so I want my finished length to be 20. This measures out about, I folded it in half. I'm measuring how much it is in half. It measures about a 12. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an inch seam allowance of the back to make it a little bit smaller for her little chest. I went ahead and took my elastic thread out of my bobbin case and I put my regular thread back in, so now I'm just going to sew. I've got my 4 ties for the shoulders of the dress. Remember, all the measurements and description are below. Now let's go ahead and sew them up. I've got all my tubes sewn. Now I'm going to use a safety pin and turn these right side out and give them a good press and then finish the top. I pressed all of these edges in. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew them shut so they're the nice finished edge at the top of the shoulder. I'm going to put these ties 2 inches in from the sides, and then the dress will be done. Woo! Big thank you to MonaLuna for giving us this fabric to work with. Their new fabric line called Magical Creatures is out. If you like some of their fabric, I'll put a link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable, eco-friendly DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye!